right? So our given equation is, or in bracket, 2pj raised to the power -1 plus the fraction 4 divided by j raised to the power -1, right? So the value raised to the power -1 is giving us 1 over the number, right? So when we simplify here, right, we are going to have the fraction 1 over 2pj representing, or in bracket, 2pj raised to the power -1, right, plus 4 plus the fraction 4 divided by 1 over j, right, representing the fraction 4 over j raised to the power -1, right? So in simplifying, we have the fraction 1 over 2pj plus 4, right? And 4, because 4 divided by 1 would give you 4. Any number divided by 1 will give you the number, right? Okay. Divided by j. Okay. So we have 4 divided by 1 here as the cursor rows, divided by j. So we have 4 divided by j, right? So division, right? The sign division here, right, represents multiplication, right? So in simplifying further, we are going to have the fraction 1 over 2pj plus 4 multiplying j, right? Because division represents multiplication. In similar trajectory, addition represents subtraction, right? So here, division here represents multiplication. So we are going to have the fraction 1 over 2pj plus 4 multiplying j. So in simplifying further, we are going to have the fraction 1 over 2pj plus 4j, right here. Okay, so this is our solved equation. So we substitute our given values into our equation to get our final answer, right? So we have our new equation to be the fraction 1 over 2pj plus 4j, right? And in substituting our values, where p equals the fraction 1 over 5 and j equals 2, right? So we are going to have the fraction 1 over 2 multiplying the fraction 1 over 5 multiplying 2 plus 4 multiplying 2, right? In simplifying further, right? So we have 2 multiplying 1 over 5, right? So here you see every number is divisible by 1, right? So this 2 here is divisible by 1, right? So it can be represented as 2 over 1, right? So we are going to have something like 2 divided by 1, right? So 2 divided by 1, 2 over 1, 2 over 1, multiplying 1 over 5, 1 over 5, right? So the denominators would multiply each other and the numerators too would multiply each other. So the numerator 2 would multiply 1 to give us 2, right? And the denominator 1 will multiply the denominator 5 for us to get 5. So we are going to have 2 over 5 multiplying 2, right? So here we are going to have 2 over 5 multiplying 2. Okay, so 2 over 5 multiplying 2 in similar ways. 2 over 5 multiplying 2, 2 over 5 multiplying 2. Every number is divisible by every number is divisible by 1, right? So this 2 here, right? This 2 here is divisible by 1, so it's going to be 2 over 1, right? So in similar trajectory, the numerators will multiply each other and the denominators too would multiply each other. So we are going to have 2 multiplying 2, which will give us 4, right? And 5 multiplying 1, which will give us 5, right? So we are going to get our final denominator here to be 4 over 5, right? So when we simplify further, 4 multiplying 2 will give us 8, right? So our final equation or our subsequent equation would be given as 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4 plus 8, okay? 1 over 4 plus 8, right? So we are going to get 1 over 4 divided by 5 plus 8, right? Sorry, 1 over 4 divided by 5 over 8, right? So the fraction 1 over 4 divided by 5 plus 8, right? So here, we are going to have 1 over 4, right, divided by 8. So 1 over 4 divided by 5 plus 8, right? So we are going to have 1 over 4. And remember that we said division goes with multiplication, right? So we are going to have 1 over 4 multiplying 1 over 5, right? So when you change the equations, right, or the signs, when you change the sign, right, you are going to have the inverse form of the equation, right? So 5 would become 1 over 5, right? Because 5 is divisible by 1. So when you change the equation sign, it will turn upside down inversely for it to become 1 over 5, right? Plus 8. So we are going to, the numerators would multiply each other. So we are going to have 1. Multiplying 1 will give us 1. Then 4 multiplying 5 will give us 9. So 1 over 9 plus 8, right? 1 over 9 plus 8, right? So 1 over 9 plus 8, 8 is divisible by 1, right? So we are going to have 1 multiplying 1, the denominator 1 under 8, multiplying the numerator 1 over 9, right? For us to get 1 times 1, right? Plus 9 times 8 all over 9, right? So 9 times 8 would give us 919, 92, 18, 93, 27, 94, 94, 36, right? So it's going to give us 72. So we have 1 plus 72 over 9, right? So that is going to give us, right? So in simplifying further, right? In simplifying further, we are going to have 30. In simplifying further, we are going to have the fraction 37 over 4, which when we simplify further, we are going to have 9 whole number 1 over 4. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.